Look at how it looks all like... No! Hey guys, Cat Stavrou here, sitting in a car in the middle of a random street after the gym, ready to do her first ever car mukbang because I'm starving. Oh, that was so lame. So anyway, aside from me being a massive lame ass, I have me a little bit of sushi because I just was really hungry after the gym because I worked out like so hard, like I probably didn't know, but whatever, we'll just say that I did, and I'm really hungry and I couldn't wait to get home, and I thought, do you know what, it'd be fun to do like one of those car mukbangs that I see everyone doing. So I did. Sorry for the really tight crop. This is completely spontaneous and I'm doing it on my phone, and unfortunately my phone like zooms in real close whenever I do a video. It's probably for like the stabilization or whatever, but that leaves me with like no room for you to like see the food or whatever. I guess he'll just have to stare straight into my... It's probably so unhygienic. I guess you'll have to stare into my fat face as I shovel the food down directly. Nothing else to look at in this bitch. Always love me a little wasabi. I love wasabi. Just gonna chuck it on the... Oh, didn't even open. Bastards. I don't know who's the bastard. That's completely our own fault, but anyway. Get me a nice, holy shit, little smear. But I don't know where I'm going to put this. I didn't really think this through very well. Hey, maybe I should have just left the sushi like inside the little fishies. I mean the soy sauce inside the fishies. Anyway, whatever. I'll figure it out. Everything is slanted. There's no like flat surface. That'll do. So... Remind me not to wiggle my ass around too much so I don't tip my soy sauce like all over my car. Anyway, hello. Welcome to my gross little car, which I do not keep clean and tidy at all, much to the dismay of my mother. Whoops, sorry mum. Sorry, not sorry. I have so much of my own hair just scattered. But you guys can't see. It looks okay from there, doesn't it? Oh, isn't this just lovely? Okay. You ready? I just got myself like a little, just in case I want to eat when I go home as well. Just a little snack for my snacks. I'll show it to you again without the shiny lid glaring it all away. Isn't it so good? Look at all of that sushi. Where's my tissue box? Okay, cat, hurry up. Fuck, it's just, I'm so hungry. Oh, I got another little fishy in here. I love that they do the soy sauce in the fish. I don't know, I just do. Ugh, the dipping was a bad idea. I should have. Oh well. Okay, you ready? Because I'm so freaking ready. Welcome to numero uno of my sushi. There you go. Nope, focus. Nope, doesn't wanna. Whatever. Anyway, bit of chicken. Some sort of chicken teriyaki. Dip that bitch. Can't get the piece of fucking shit. This was a bad idea. I thought it looked so cute. I didn't realize what a stupid idea it would be for the car. Remind me next time not to be such an idiot. Remind me. That glorious feeling when you're just real hungry and you have that first bite. I love it. I don't know if you could hear that one. Maybe not with the phone acoustics, but, I mean mics, whatever. I just audibly swallowed, like in the cartoons, like, oh. Lol. This one's a California roll-ish. Not really, it's just like the fake crab meat plus cucumber. I'm good too. Slightly better than chicken, but well, actually maybe not. I'm about to say something that a lot of people would consider controversial, but I don't really like chicken that much. Chicken is just like boring. Chicken is like the plainest item of food. Like, I find chicken more bland than plain tofu. Yeah, because at least tofu has a good texture. Chicken's just weird. Like just boiled chicken, like chicken without all the flavorings on top. When you make oils and when you cook it in the oils, I mean, and like you have all the marinades and stuff, just chicken tastes like poo, and half the time even when you marinate it, it's still not that great. Anyway, avocado and cucumber. Although if you have it like deep fried, battered in some sort of a burger or something, check out my last video for that. Then that's a different story. Yeah. Avocado, cucumber, rated higher than the chicken. And the fake crab meat. So satisfying. I just love avocado. I'm such a basic white girl. I know avocado is not traditional in sushi, but screw that, man. I'm Australian, and us Aussies, we fucking love ours. Maybe I shouldn't swear. Love our avos. Okay, my favorite. I love tuna. Love tuna sushi. Don't know why, just do. Last one. Well, last flavor. I forgot to do a screen grab. Huh? I'll do it now. Make it all awkward. Okay. There we go. Check it out. Got the sushi in. That's the good stuff. Okay. So, now that I've finished testing everything, I'll just put the stupid flavour with wasabi so that it can be less stupid. This one too. In fact, no, I'll put it with the good flavour too because wasabi just rules. Oh, wait. Look. The point I'm trying to make is I have no idea what I'm saying or what I'm doing any other time, ever. And that's how I live my life. Who's with me? Okay, so today at the gym, I did yoga. I haven't done, well, let me just backpedal everything. I try very hard to get to the gym as often as possible. My goal is to gym at least 5 times a week. But I haven't been to the gym in 3, maybe even 4 months. So, chicken. No. Anyway, last week, after being the biggest fatty McFat over Christmas and New Year's, last week I came to the gym for the first time in what we're going to just say is 4 months, because it's probably even 5. I took it a little bit easy on myself because I'm naturally weak and pathetic, and then it's been that long that I didn't want to like sprain my body. So I took it easy. I only went twice last week. Did pretty gentle. Didn't go over the weekend. Nothing like that. This week, yesterday and today, I did yoga. I figured it's a really good way to kind of ease myself back into it. Plus we have a lot more yoga classes now, because apparently I live in Yoga Mom Central, and I'm happy about this because I quite find myself liking yoga a lot. A lot. Let me tell you though, I did so badly. I could tell that the class was not that extreme. Like, I've done harder classes before. I was struggling. You know when you're like doing something and like say you're holding yourself and your body just shakes? Just like I was like just in a plank position. Let's just imagine me in a plank like this. Like, that was me the whole time. It was so bad. The instructor came over and tried to like correct one of my positions, and I just crumbled. I just crumbled straight to the floor. That was it. She kind of like awkwardly laughed and ran away while I just lay there in my embarrassment for a while. But that's so much wasabi. Why are you so much? It's fun. You know when wasabi like kicks right up the back of your throat, down through your nose, and then maybe you cry a little? Right up the nose. No better way to clear the nostrils. Okay. Shitty chicken is done! Look, it wasn't shitty. The teriyaki flavor was great. Thanks, Sushi Hub. It's just, Anyway, so it got me thinking, like, my gym did not used to have that many yoga classes. Now it's got them 6 days a week. You've got yoga options. And so then I started thinking about all the yoga moms that I live with nearby. And then I started thinking about the yoga mom, like, lifestyle. I know I keep bringing my head back so you can see right my nostrils. But, like, at the end of class, I was just lying there, you know, and they just kind of do, like, a relaxation breathing thing before you go. And I started getting, like, annoyed and slightly riled up by the whole concept of yoga mums, like, and what yoga has become. Like, yoga is kind of badass. Like, it takes strength and flexibility and balance. Strength, flexibility, and balance, just to be able to do things that you may not think are that hard. Even just like the basic stuff, and you're just like not managing to do it. There's some badass body control in that. And the history of yoga is pretty like, it was never some like wishy-washy like pregnant moms do it and blah blah blah, but white girls, bitch. What have white girls done to yoga? Myself included, I guess. No, because I'm cool and I'm not a yoga mom. And I don't talk about fucking toxins fucking leaving my body because I just have to breathe them away and are so dumb. Don't get me started about fucking toxins. Yoga moms and their toxins and their anti-fucking... What's the word I'm looking for? Fuck. Injections? Injections? Anti-injections? Shots? Fuck, what do you call it? Ugh. That was really gross, cat. That was not really gross, though. Anyway, yoga mums and their toxins and their refusal to get their medications and shots and big pharma and let me steam my vagina for you. And oh, guys, do not shove foreign, porous, rocky, steamy, incensey objects up your vagina, okay? Vaginas are self-cleaning. Vaginas do not need to be rinsed out and cleansed because they're not dirty, okay? Just keep your steamer away from me. And immunize your goddamn kids, okay? Don't even get me started on that shit. Because herd immunity is a thing, and you guys are all assholes. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Oh no! I nearly went everywhere. Stop. Yes. You can watch me now. Dip, dip, dip. Oh. Slice. Get in there. So good. The tuna, man. Anyway, so sorry, the wasabi just does it to me. So there I was, lying on the floor with all the yoga mums, trying to relax, but suddenly everyone lying next to me was like some sort of hippie asshole freak. No, not hippie. Hippie's a cool man. This new age Gwyneth Paltrow shit. Me trying to calm down, but seriously just like making up imaginary things and getting pissed off at imaginary stuff that these people next to me have probably never done in their lives. So that's how I spent one of the first few experiences at the gym. Wow, that was probably a really boring story. Sorry, guys. Oh. My last little sushi left. Oh my god, I'm still so hungry. I should have gotten 2 of these. I was thinking that this should have been the snack and then I'd go home and eat. But this should have just been the full meal. I probably have nothing at home. And even if I do, is it gonna be this good? Is it? Wow, wow. Get that sushi in me. Oh, wait, I haven't sauced it. It's fucking sauce. It's just so stupid. Look at how it looks all like... No! No! It's fine. Fuck you, it's fine. Oh, so good though. Even with car lint all over it. Okay, well, I'm done. I definitely regret not getting more of this. Maybe next car sushi mukbang, I'll get like one of those huge ones. And then I'll also regret it because I'll get about this much through. And then I'll get really, really full. But anyway, whatever. Comment below if you actually want to see this again. Or if this was really, really lame and you never want to see me attempt anything so gay ever in my life again. Let me know. And yes, I think it's politically incorrect to say the word gay. But I also think that stepping on eggshells around stuff kind of makes it more of an issue. No? Am I the only one that thinks that? Like, avoiding a topic for political correctness actually makes it more sensitive because you're not just getting over it. Anyway, whatever. I'm off. I'm going to go home and eat some more because I'm still hungry, because I feel like that was like a baby's meal. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget, if this is your first time with me, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, whichever freaking corner it's in. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.